Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 71. A landmark.
What is a famous landmark in your hometown?
Well, I can't hide my pride to talk about the Statue of Liberty.
When was it built?
I read on newspapers that it was constructed in 1886.
Where is it?
It's located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor.
How does it look like?
That's a woman, known as the Roman goddess, bearing a torch and a broken chain lies at her feet.
What was it made of?
The main material was copper.
Who was the architect?
Mr. Gustave Eiffel, who also designed the Tower of Eiffel.
What is special about it?
Actually, it was gifted to my country, the USA, from the people of France.
Does it symbolize something?
The statue is a symbol of freedom. We all love it and are so proud to share with international friends about it.
Does it attract many tourists to come?
Yup. It attracts 4 million visitors each year according to the statistic.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun, in order to get more video. Thank you.